Right, let me open the thing, see what he's got. Volvo has the stupidest setup. Hi folks, Tim again here. Today we're going to be doing a simple task. We're going to be emptying out some air tanks and see if there's moisture in here. This is very crucial. This should be done every day by the driver. Let's check and see. Wow, there we go. So as we can see, this tank hasn't been empty for a while. That'll be very bad during the winter time. If that freezes up, the truck isn't going anywhere. They should do it every day to keep the moisture out. If they don't do it, they're going to have problems with their brakes. If that freezes up in that tank, they're not going anywhere. That moisture will run through the system, brake system. That kind of moisture will affect your truck and your trailer. You got primary and secondary tanks. Wow. So to actually properly winterize it, we would have to take off the hose and the compressor going out to the system. We do that here in the shop before winter comes. So all the trucks will be winterized before winter gets here. Right now we don't have the time. Another day we'll show you how to do that through the compressor. All right, so what we'll do here is we'll take off. You can't see it from here, but there's a hose in the back going to the tanks, the main tank. So what we'll do is we'll take off the hose. We'll put some antifreeze in it. That's on extreme conditions. I'm not gonna be able to picture that one. But that one's going to the tanks. We'll get a funnel, put some antifreeze in it, thaw the system out. Other than that, drivers should empty your air tanks out every day because winter time's coming, and if you don't, I promise you're gonna be sorry. We just saw this is the twist type. There's also another type of pull string. Makes it more convenient for the driver. I'll show you the pull strings. Let me close this up and I'll show you the pull strings. All right, let's go to our Volvo. I can show you guys the pull string. All right, so here we go again, folks. This is the pull string, petcock. Makes it a little bit easier for the driver to just step on out and pull the cord. As you can see, there's no moisture coming out of it. This is one of our daily shuttle trucks, so this is one of the trucks I drive, so I make sure that the tanks are clear every day. No moisture at all. So this type of pull string and the other petcock that you have to turn is common on all trucks. So you're either going to have the strings or you're going to have the twist offs. But they're all the same on all trucks. And I think that's about wraps it up, my friends. Any questions? Any comments? Subscribe and see our next video. Thank you.